Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about DustaPro, a compact robot vacuum that's been showing up all over social media feeds and sponsored ads lately. A lot of people have been reaching out asking whether this thing is actually worth buying or whether it's just another overhyped gadget designed to look impressive in a 30-second clip. So let's break it down together and give you a clear, honest picture before you spend your money. Now, DustaPro markets itself as a compact robot vacuum cleaner built for everyday home cleaning. The ads show it gliding effortlessly across floors, picking up dust, crumbs, and pet hair, all without you lifting a finger. The pitch is simple. Set it, forget it, and come back to a clean home. It sounds great on paper, and honestly, the product concept itself isn't a bad idea. Small robot vacuums do have a place in many households. But here's where things start to get a little murky and where you need to pay close attention. The first big claim is that DustaPro can fully replace your regular vacuum cleaner. But based on everything publicly available about this product, it appears to be a small, budget-level robot vacuum designed for light maintenance cleaning. That means it might handle a bit of dust or a few crumbs on a hard floor, but is not built for deep cleaning, thick carpets, or any kind of heavy mess. Calling it a replacement for a full-size vacuum is, at best, misleading. Then there's the claim about effortless, hands-free cleaning throughout your entire home. In reality, any robot vacuum at this size and price point is going to struggle with cluttered floors, tangled cables, furniture legs, and thick rugs. It'll miss spots, get stuck, and require quite a bit of babysitting, which kind of defeats the whole hands-free promise, doesn't it? The pet hair claims are another area worth questioning. The marketing suggests DustaPro handles pet hair with ease, but if you got a dog or cat that sheds heavily, a small robot vacuum like this simply won't cut it. It might pick up the occasional stray hair on a smooth floor, but for real pet hair buildup, you're still going to need a proper vacuum. And as for being a smart solution for all floor types, hard floors and light debris seem to be the only realistic use case here. Deep carpet cleaning and embedded dirt removal are well beyond what this device appears capable of. Now let's talk about something that's a red flag regardless of what product we're discussing, and that's the marketing tactics. If you've seen DustaPro ads, you've probably noticed countdown timers, today only pricing, and massive discount banners. These urgency tactics are extremely common in direct-to-consumer gadget marketing, and their whole purpose is to pressure you into buying quickly before you have time to think it through or do your research. Don't fall for that. A genuine product doesn't need to manufacture panic to get you to buy it. There's also a concern worth mentioning from early Trustpilot reviews, where at least one buyer raised issues around billing and cancellation practices. Now, the number of independent reviews is still very limited at this point, so we can't draw a firm conclusion. But that kind of early feedback is absolutely something to keep in mind before handing over your payment details. So what's the overall picture here? DustaPro doesn't appear to be an outright scam in the sense that a product likely exists, but it does appear to be significantly overmarketed. The gap between what the ads promise and what the product can realistically deliver is wide enough to leave a lot of buyers disappointed. If you go in expecting spotless carpets, whole home cleaning, and zero effort, you're probably going to be frustrated. If you understand that this is a basic maintenance tool for light dust and crumbs in small spaces with hard flooring, and if the price makes sense to you with that expectation in mind, then maybe it has a place. But buy it based on its actual limitations, not the promises in the ads.